Here's some Columbus's Voyages trivia. Subscribe. What year did Columbus first set sail? Is it A, 1500, B, 1535, C, 1480, or D, 1492? The correct answer is D, 1492. What title did Columbus receive from Spain? Is it A, Captain, B, Admiral, C, Hero, or D, Navigator? The correct answer is B, Admiral. Which country did Columbus originate from? Is it A, Portugal, B, Greece, C, Spain, or D, Italy? The correct answer is Diddley. What year did Columbus make his fourth voyage? Is it A, 1506, B, 1492, C, 1498, or D, 1502? The correct answer is D, 1502. Which indigenous people did Columbus encounter? Is it A, Inuit, B, Sioux, C, Taíno, or D, Navajo? The correct answer is C, Taíno. What was the name of Columbus's second ship? Is it A, Discovery, B, Santa Maria, C, Pinta, or D, Mayflower? The correct answer is C, Pinta. Which exchange began as a result of Columbus's voyages? Is it A, Columbian Exchange, B, Spice Route, C, Atlantic Trade, or D, Silk Road? The correct answer is A, Columbian Exchange. In what year was Columbus's last voyage? Is it A, 1512, B, 1492, C, 1506, or 1500? The correct answer is C, 1506. What item was Columbus searching for in his expeditions? Is it A, gold, B, diamonds, C, rum, or D, pearls? The correct answer is A, gold. Which body of water separates Europe from America by Columbus's route? Is it A, Arctic Ocean, B, Indian Ocean, C, Atlantic, or D, Pacific? The correct answer is C, Atlantic. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.